Several roads leading to the forest were sealed off to facilitate uninterrupted fire operations.
Vai passar, vai.
Thick smoke clouds covered the sky, making visibility difficult for both ground and air teams.
וואו. עמית, עשה טובה, חפש צינורות! חפש צינורות ותן לי צינור, תן לי, משוך לי...
Helicopters dropped water from above as firefighters worked tirelessly on the ground. Medical personnel were stationed nearby in case of injuries or smoke-related illness. Local community centers opened their doors to provide temporary shelter to evacuees. Firefighters built containment lines to prevent the flames from reaching residential zones. Wildlife in the forest fled as flames consumed large portions of the natural habitat. Authorities confirmed the fire started in a remote section of the grove with dry brush.
לבד.
Volunteers from nearby areas arrived to assist with coordination and basic support.
地铁是吧？
平安街，就是地铁那栋楼。
Power lines in the area were monitored closely to prevent additional hazards. Fire investigators will later determine whether negligence or nature caused the blaze.
In the front, in the front.
All right.
Yeah, I'm on fire.
Officials warned the public against lighting fires during dry summer periods.